And welcome back, and this is a little update on Pete's Onion Challenge for 25 and 26. And basically what we've done, we've sowed these ones here. These are under light and heat, the lights are there, and obviously the heat mat's here. And we're going to be transplanting these on to these today. And these ones here are the same thing but without light and heat. And they're a bit sorry looking for themselves really. I'm quite surprised at the difference between the two. But we're going to pick out the 15 best ones out here and pot them on and see how we go. So we'll crack on. See how we do. It's doing quite good. They seem to be doing really well, some of these. And some of these are doing really bad. I mean, that's quite a nice little plant really. Not too bad at all. So we just put these in here. And just drop it down. Just firm it in. Simple as that. Oh, I've got two in this one. So I'm going to have to separate them two. Nice little bit of root system now. Very good. And that's the other half of that one. Just see the roots coming through the bottom. Just getting its second true leaf there. So I think we're in with a good chance here to maybe get the last prize. We shall see. I'll just pop that in there. It's really doing really well. I'm only going to pick out the biggest ones because the small ones are a bit of a waste really. That's a nice sized little plant, isn't it? Apart from I just bent the neck, but hopefully it'll pick up. That'll be perfect. Pete was kind enough to send me some of his Joe Atherton seeds. And these are the Joe Athertons that have germinated. They're coming up really well. I'm quite looking forward to them. At the same time, I sent Peter some Peter Glazebrook seeds, and one of my Peter Glazebrook is just coming up. So we're going to keep an eye on that. And we've also got some Peter Cook. I've got one Peter Cook onion coming up there. Obviously the rest of these are Kelsey onions. They're doing okay. But can't go wrong with them really, can you? So I'll just pop that out there. What a nice looking plants. I think once they're planted into these new pots now, they're going to really start shooting away. I don't think we'll ever catch up with you boys who got planted months and months ago, but you never know. It's all part of fun, isn't it? Okay, there is two in that one, but I'm going to disregard this one. A little bit dry that one as well, which is a bit strange. So they've all had a water. With a bit of luck today I might be able to pop down your lot, but it's not too cold out there. I like the look of that one. That one looks okay. It looks like we're not going to get 15 out of here. But never mind. That'll just save us space for later on, won't it? Not a bad little root system. up later, obviously. That one there. Well, that's a bit of a poor specimen, that one is. And we've got 3 trays to fill up, so just have a look, see what happens. No root on that one, that's maybe was no good. That's really not very good. It's got a bit of a root on it, but we'll plant it anyway, see what happens. And where's that one I discarded? We'll have that one back as well. Right, well that's that lot done. So now we're going to sort out, we'll do the ones with no heat and light. Better just put our label back for them, wouldn't it? Make sure that we've got all the same. I'll do them later on when you're off camera. And just give these a quick water. Just to set them in. Good. And that's it till the next time. See you later.